Hello all. Today we will write a Java program for one more interesting one, which will be frequently asked for senior estate engineers. That is, a given string with brackets, parentheses, and curly braces is properly closed or not. Okay. You see here, it is open curly braces, open parentheses, and open brackets, and the closing also with first bracket, then parenthesis, then curly braces. So this is properly closed. So it should return true. Okay. If you see, look at this one. This is all with the open curly braces and ended with all closed brackets. So it should return false. So like that here also, like the last open curly braces is there, but there is no closed curly braces is there, but there is no open curly braces for this. So it should return false here also. Okay, now we'll start writing a program for this. First write a static method. The return type should be boolean is properly closed for the given string. Okay, now we'll say by default return false. Now here the logic what we have to use is, if you see here, you see whatever the open braces comes and the closing also, it should be in the reverse order. Whatever that comes first, they should exit last. Here the curly braces, open curly braces comes first, so it should end last. Open parenthesis, here the closed parenthesis, open bracket, here closed bracket. Okay, so this kind of data structure we can achieve by using stack. Okay, so first we will create an object for stack class. See here, these are characters of a string, so I will take it as type as character. Stack equal to new stack of character. New stack of character. Okay, now I will iterate through each character in the string and I will put into the stack. So for that, for each character, I will take a for loop of string dot get char array. To char array. So what it will do is, it will give the characters present in the string as array of characters. Now I will iterate through each character, and here what I will do is, first see if the coming character is open, then I will move into the stack. If ch equal to either open curly braces or ch equal to open bracket or ch equal to open parenthesis, then I will move that character into stack object. Stack dot push. Stack dot push, it will pushes an item onto the top of the stack. So now ch This is first condition. Next condition is if the coming character is either of closed of all these three, then we need to check what is the recent character insert into the stack, and it should be the open of that closed, open type of that closed. If the coming character is closed parenthesis, then the recent one should be open parenthesis. If the character is closed bracket, then the recent one inserted should be open bracket. Okay, so now for that we need what condition we need to put is else if ch equal to closed curly braces, then and ch dot peak. There is a method called peak. We'll see string stack dot peak. Peak will looks at the object at the top of the stack without removing it from the stack. So we'll see if the stack dot peak equal to open braces, then this is fine. Okay, so what will happen? This one is fine. Now what we will do? We will remove the character. For that we need to use string stack dot pop. What pop will do? Removes the object at the top of this stack and returns the object as a value of the function. So now I will remove the open bracket which is associated with this one. Okay, similarly the same condition I need to apply for the remaining type of brackets also. It is closed bracket and the latest one is open bracket, then remove. If it is closed parenthesis on the top of the stack, it is open parenthesis, then stop dot pop. Okay, now I have iterated through all the characters in the string. Now coming out of the for loop, if stack is empty, if everything is fine, what will the stack will be empty. If stack is empty, the stack is empty equal to true, then what I will do, I will return true. Then I will do, and I will put a sysout statement here. String is properly closed. Otherwise, if there are still values, characters remaining in the stack, then it should return false. And I will print a message here is not properly closed. Now we'll see whether our program is working fine for all the given type of strings or not. Is properly closed for the first one is this one. See, this is properly closed. Now the next one. This one. This is not properly closed. Now we'll see this. Here run this one. There is some issue. It is giving an error. What is the exception? Empty stack exception. Okay. So in which line it braces Java 32. Here it is giving empty stack exception. Why this exception is coming? If you observe here, we are looking at the top of the character present in the string here, peak. But here, if you observe up to here, the stack is empty. But still the characters are there in the string, but we got empty stack. And we cannot put a closed bracket first. A closed either closed parenthesis or closed bracket or closed curly braces. So now what we need to do is we need to add one more condition here, that the stack should not be empty when the characters are still present to iterate through the loop. So here I will put one more condition, else if stack is empty, then I will return false. And we copy paste the sys out of this one is not properly closed. Okay, now let me run this one. Yeah, now it is working for here. We have added the condition to handle this kind of strings also. If you see, this is also working for. Yeah, now you can work on this method and try with different combinations, and if there are any exceptions coming or false is coming where true should come, or true is coming where false is coming, just please comment. Okay, thank you, bye.